COVID-19 has impacted the way that criminal cases, including DUI cases, are being handled in the courts. Now, here are 4 things you need to know. So first, some background. With your DUI case, you're going to have multiple court dates. With any criminal case, including DUI cases, you're going to be going to court multiple times. All DUI cases will start with a first appearance, which is the first time you'll be appearing in the court. But there are other court dates that you're going to have during your DUI case. First, there's something called set dates. These are dates where the court will get an update about the status of your case. Judicial pretrial, this is where a judge will be present to hear the merits of your case. Guilty plea dates, if you choose to plead guilty, that will be heard at a guilty plea date. A trial, if you choose to go to trial. And a sentencing hearing where a judge will impose a penalty on your charge if you're found guilty. 2, during COVID, most dates will not be in person. Now, in regular times, all court dates would require you or your lawyer or legal representative to appear in court in person. However, during COVID, most dates will not be in person, but will either be heard online via Zoom usually or via telephone. Now, to be certain, you should contact the court where your case is being heard to find out whether it will be heard in person or not. Now, if it's not in person, make sure you find out the details about how to attend the court appearance. For example, if it's by phone, find out the proper phone number and passcode. Or if it's by Zoom video, again, make sure you have the proper Zoom ID and passcode, and make sure you're in a quiet place when you make connection with that court date. 3, you must show up even if it's online. Even though your court appearance may not be in person, you still have a legal obligation to show up. If you've hired a lawyer, then your lawyer will show up for you. And in some cases, your lawyer may require that you attend that court date virtually with them. Your lawyer will let you know. And 4, your case will continue to move forward. Although COVID has changed the way your case is being handled, the legal system will continue to process your case under a specific timeline. This is according to Section 11B of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. All criminal cases need to be tried within a reasonable period of time from the date you were charged. Now, in 2016, the Supreme Court of Canada ruled in a case known as the Jordan case that the time period is generally either 18 or 30 months after a person is charged, dependent on the type of trial. So the courts need to stay on this 18 or 30-month timeline to ensure that they are following the rules. This means that your DUI or criminal case will continue to move forward even during COVID. Now, as the next step, you should watch our video, Do I Need a DUI Lawyer? You can find the video on your screen. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me to set up a free and confidential discussion about your case.